Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you step by step how to get shift lock on Roblox Mobile. So guys, look on the desktop. First open your game and head to go setting. After go to setting, pressing escape K on your keyboard. Alternatively, click on the Roblox icon in the top corner of the screen and make guys sure next shift switch stay on it and say already, then you can move the next step. So guys, after that the box to switch, click on the next to the box switch and open the menu and click on the setting. After get to make sure guys top of the U and next make sure the box shift lock switch and say on with the shift lock on. Now turn it on, close the menu and return the game. Guys, all you need to do is active shift lock and press shift K on your keyboard. Guys, I hope this video helpful for you. See you on another video soon. Subscribe to my